Hello. Welcome to Phone Paw channel. Today, I will tell you how to enable alarm puzzle lock on LG G3. First, open the clock to set an alarm. On the list, you can find there is an option called puzzle lock. Enable it and wait for the alarm. Now, you can see there are 4 blocks of numbers on the screen. The alarm will not stop until you finish the puzzle. You have to follow the order of these numbers, or you can't unlock the alarm. It's not an easy job to unawaken people. That's all. If you want to know more about tips for mobile, please subscribe us or go to phonepaw.com.